Today, I'm here with a healthy, delicious, filling, and easy recipe: mushroom zucchini wrap. Well, I kind of made up that name. It's actually a mushroom zucchini roll. Either way, it's a recipe you're totally gonna love. Let's get started. All right, here's what you'll need: 1 to 2 zucchinis, about 1.25 pounds, a pinch of salt, just to draw out the moisture, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, salt and black pepper to taste, 3 to 4 eggs, depending on their size. For the filling, 1 small onion, 1 carrot, 10 ounces of mushrooms, chopped really small, a little vegetable oil, and again, salt and black pepper to taste. I start by grating the zucchini. After giving it a good wash, I grate it without peeling the skin. I'm using about 550 grams, but feel free to adjust the amount to your liking. I add some salt to the grated zucchini and mix it well. Then, I squeeze out as much liquid as I can with my hands and transfer it to another bowl. I loosen up the squeezed zucchini a little and give it a quick mix. Then I add 4 tablespoons of flour. I toss in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix it lightly with the flour. Next, I add about half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And finally, I crack in 4 eggs on top. Now I mix everything really well until all the ingredients are evenly combined. I line a baking tray with parchment paper. Make sure there are no gaps. Then I drizzle a tiny bit of oil and spread it all over the paper with a brush. I pour the zucchini mixture evenly onto the tray. Now I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius, that's 356 Fahrenheit, for about 20 to 25 minutes. Every oven is different, so make sure to keep an eye on it while it bakes. I finely chop a small onion into tiny pieces. Then, I grate a medium-sized carrot. I add both the onion and carrot to a pan, drizzle in some oil, and season with salt and black pepper. Then, I cook it all together. Meanwhile, the zucchini mixture is done baking, and now it's officially a cake. I start chopping up 300 grams of mushrooms. The smaller you chop them, the better. You can also slice them julienne style, just make sure they're super thin. I cook the mushrooms really well. Once they're nicely cooked, I add the carrot and onion mixture I made earlier. I'm adding a bit more salt, but don't do that without tasting first. I roll up the baked zucchini cake along with the parchment paper to let it take shape. This helps prevent it from cracking later. Then I spread the slightly cooled veggie mixture all over the top. On one edge, I add some shredded cheese. You can use any cheese you like and as much as you want. When rolling up the cake, take your time and be careful not to tear it. You can spread some cream cheese or labneh on the open ends. I use sour cream, then I sprinkle a bit of cheese on top. I'll bake it at 356 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 180 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 7 minutes, just to let the cheese get nice and golden. And we're done. That was so quick and easy. Once it cools down a little, I slice it up and give it a taste. It's honestly amazing and super filling. This might be the healthiest roll I've ever had. You've got to give it a try. I sprinkle some fresh dill on top. It really adds a nice flavor. For more quick, tasty, and healthy recipes like this, make sure to stay tuned. And don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Bon appétit!